Hello, my dear friends. Let us continue the same discussion what I have made in my last class. That means when a signal xt is there, suppose three types of operation at a time is made over the signal, then how the shape of the signal will change and what will be the final plot. Let us discuss actually again. Okay, so we will solve so many examples so that whatever the understanding you have, you can properly understand and you can have the confidence. Yes, this will be the plot if many operations, many time operations are done over a signal. Okay, so there are basically three time operations I have told. One is folding, other is time shifting, time folding. First one is time folding, then time shifting, then time scaling. But when a signal is there, suppose the signal is xt, try to understand, the signal is xt. Now, first what operation is better? First actually which operation you have to consider so that your plot becomes easy and you can easily plot. So for this I have told in my last discussion, that means you have to make first the shifting operation. So first you have to make the shifting operation, then you have to make the folding or you can say time reversal operation. Folding operation is the same as the time reversal operation. Here time folding. So time reversal or you can say time folding operation. Then you just make scaling operation. Time scaling operation. So three operations are there. The first this, then this, then this. So it will be better. But you may interchange this. First shifting, then time scaling, then time folding. There is no problem. Okay. So there is no problem, but I am following this sequence so that you can, so I can easily plot. So similarly, I am suggesting you. So you just also follow the same sequence so that you can easily and very quickly plot if these three operations are done over a signal. Okay. So that means suppose xt is a signal, then if three operations are simultaneously done over the signal, then you may get x of minus a t plus, suppose there is a shifting b. Suppose there is a shifting b. Okay, that means what you have to do first, or you can say x minus a t minus b. This type of operation you may get. So here actually negative sign, first shift. So this is right shift. First shift. I have told if you follow the concept of what I have discussed, first folding then shifting, then first folding then shifting. See here, first folding, if first folding then shifting, then there is no problem. But you have to think reverse manner. When you are shifting, you have to think reverse manner. Right shift becomes left shift becomes right shift. So here what you have to do, so first shift t minus b, that means right shift, then fold, then you have to make the scaling operation. Similarly here, first shift t plus b, left shift, then fold means time reversal operation, then a, you have, that means time scaling operation. Understood? Now see here, the important concept is what? So actually how the concept comes, how actually these things, how these things actually comes. The concept is x is a function of t. So x is a function of t. From x is a function of t, how to get? Let us discuss this one. Similar case you can get for this. For x from x of t, right? Understand? From x of t. How to get x of minus a t plus b? देखो x of t given, so first you can make x of t plus b. In place of t you can use t plus b so that you can get x of t plus b. Then suppose this is your x1t, I have told, because you are operating the signal with respect to t. So this is another signal you can say with respect to t. Here this is x is a function of t plus b, x is a function of t plus b, b is a constant. So that is also x1 is a function of t because b is a constant. Understood? So now what you have to do, x1t is given now. Right, understand? Your basic objective is to get this. x1t is given. Then from x1t, how to get this? That means just mark. Suppose I am making x1 minus t. x1t is this, x1 minus t, you will find x up in place of t minus t plus b. देखो ध्यान से देखो, minus t plus b. Okay. So now x1 minus t, actually x1 minus t, you can say this is suppose x2t. ध्यान से देखो, what is the concept? Okay. So now suppose x2t is equal to x minus t plus b. Now from x2t, So your objective is to get this. So what you have to make here so that you can get this? Now in place of t, just use x2 80. What will find? Now x2 80. देखो ध्यान से x2 80 हो गया तो t के जगह 80 x of minus 80 plus b. So this is the signal. So that means from this signal you have got this signal. How you have got? First t plus b operation is done. देखो x t plus b. Then folding x, whatever signal you have got. This signal is x1t na? Whatever the signal you have got, on this signal you just make time folding operation x1 minus t. That means here you are getting the first x t plus b. Then folding operation is done over this. Here you are getting. Then scaling operation is just done over, because this is actually x minus t plus b now. So this is suppose x2t. Now you just make which operation? Scaling operation x2 80. Then automatically you will find this. So what you are getting? First shift the signal, then fold the signal. What after shifting, whatever the signal you are getting, fold that signal. Then after folding, whatever the signal you are getting, this signal you are getting after folding. Then scale the signal. Scale the signal. So three operations in this manner you just make over a signal so that you can get the result. Understood? It is very simple. Similarly, you can make this. I have told there is nothing. So first shift the signal x t is given. First shift x t minus b. Try to understand. Then what you have to do? Then x minus t minus b. What does it mean? That means you are folding the signal. What? Which signal? This signal x1t suppose. x1t we are folding. That means in place of t we are using minus t. We are folding this signal. This signal is suppose x1t. That means if you make minus t operation here, in place of t you have to use minus t, then automatically you will find this signal. Now suppose this signal is x2t. Now this signal, on this signal you just make the operation scaling operation. Are understood or not? Scaling operation. So if you scale, then you will find x of minus 80 minus b. So this is your x3t. Actually x3t is nothing but x2 80. This is your x3t. So here x2t is nothing but x1 minus t. अरे समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? That means this signal first you just draw. Then this signal. How to draw this signal? After getting this signal, fold the signal. Then after getting this signal, scale the signal with respect to a by the factor of a. Then we will find the finals. Okay? So that means what we are doing? Shifting, folding, scaling. Time shifting. Actually here shifting is what? Time shifting. Time shifting, time folding, time scaling. Understood? Okay. So now suppose I am giving one example. What I have discussed, on the basis of this example, let us observe. Now suppose example देखो, xt is given. Suppose a triangular t by, suppose let us discuss only triangular t. Triangular t means what? In the denominator 1 is there. Actually this is t by 1 you can say. Triangular t by 1. So this denominator is nothing but a one side width. It represents one side width in case of triangular poles. So that means here you just mark, if you draw the poles, you will find this. This is minus 1, this is 1. One side width is 1. This is your x of t, which is given delta. Now what you have to do, see here, suppose you want to sketch x of minus 2t plus 1, then x of minus to t, suppose minus 2, whatever, doesn't matter. Now let us sketch first one, x of minus 2t plus 1. So first what you have to do? T plus 1. Make first directly, what you have to do? First x t plus 1, shifting operation. Looking to the question, so first you can have the idea, yes, shifting operation must be done first. So see here, shifting operation. Which shift? Left shift. Plus is there, directly just consider. मैं बोला था फोल्डेड सिग्नल अगर फास्ट फोल्ड करके शिफ्ट करोगे तो ये राइट शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, लेकिन पहले शिफ्ट करोगे तो ये लेफ्ट शिफ्ट होगा. बस पहले शिफ्टिंग ऑपरेशन जस्ट में लेफ्ट शिफ्ट मतलब माइनस वन अमाउंट ऑफ लेफ्ट शिफ्ट, माइनस वन व्हाट विल फाइंड माइनस 2, then 1 minus 1 what will find 0 minus 1, that means the signal you will find this is 0 minus 1, this is minus 2. So here you will find the signal. Try to understand. Here you will find the signal. This will be the plot. So this value suppose it is given, suppose this is 2, so this value will 2. So now this is your x of t plus 1. Try to mark. Now what you have to do? Then fold the signal with respect to time folding operation. That means put a mirror here. If you put a mirror here, then you find the exact reflection in this manner. This is 2. Minus 2 comes to this position, 2. Then minus 1 comes to this position, this is 1. Now this is 0. This is your x of minus t plus 1. After folding, t becomes minus t. Remember, the enter is not actually minus t plus 1. You cannot do in this manner. Actually, when folding with respect to t only, because your axis is not t plus 1, your axis is t axis. t axis में माइनस साइन मतलब ओनली फोल्डिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t. ओके, ध्यान से देखो. तो ये तुम्हारा हो गया x of minus t plus 1. Now what do we do? Again the signal is scaled. Scaled means you have to scale the signal. Here this is scaling factor greater than 1. So the signal is compressed. Signal will be compressed. That means the final signal you will find 2 by 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0 by 2, 0, 0. This is now 1 by 2, this is now 1. So you will find this is 2. This is x of minus 2t plus 1. Understood? This is the example. That means final signal is this. X of minus 2t plus 1 is this. Clear or not? Okay? X of minus 2t plus 1 is this. That means the signal is compressed. So now after making these three operations, finally you will find actually this figure, this plot. Now similarly let us discuss actually this one. So x of minus 2t minus 2. X of t is given. First directly I am drawing here. This is the right shifting operation first you have to make t minus 2. T minus 2 means signal shifted towards right by an amount of 2. That means 1 plus 2 3, minus 1 plus 2 1, 0 plus 2 2. So here 1, this is 3, this is your 2. Minus 1 plus 2, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. So that means you are having the signal in this manner. Okay, height will remain constant. Okay, the peak value, the vertical axis peak value remains constant. This is your x of t minus 2. Now, what you have to do? You have to fold the signal now. Try to understand. What you have to do? You have to fold the signal because minus t minus 2 first you just make. First shifting is done, then folding, then scaling. Okay, then how to make the folding operation? So put a mirror here. Whatever 1 becomes minus 1, 3 becomes minus 3, 2 becomes minus 2. And imagine the reflection. This reflection, see here, in the mirror will become this reflection. This will be the plot. This is 2. This is x of minus t minus 2. Now, what you have to do? Now, scaling operation you have to make over the signal. Now, what is the scaling factor? Scaling factor 2. This 2 is greater than 1. So, that the signal is compressed. So, now this will becomes minus 1 by 2. Divide. Because a is greater than 1, 2 is greater than 1. Means you have to divide these points. Divide with respect to the, with these points. So, what will find here? Minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1. This is minus 3 by 2. Okay. The figure you will find this. This height will remain unchanged. The height is 2. This is your x of minus 2t minus 2. समझ में आया? So this will be the final plot. After making the three operations, you will find this will be the final plot. Understood or not? Okay. So whatever the examples will be given to you, now you can easily sketch the plot if the three time operations at a time given to you or any two time operations given to you. So now suppose you are having a signal xt which is drawn in this manner. So suppose the signal xt is drawn in this manner. Only this signal let us consider. This is the signal. There is no problem. Any signal. Suppose this is xt. Suppose this is your 2. This is your minus 2. This is your minus 1. Now you have to sketch x of minus 50 plus 1, x of minus t minus, suppose actually only 2t minus 1. Here the first three operations simultaneously done. Here only two operations done. Shifting, scaling. Here shifting, folding, scaling. Okay. So if you practice so many examples, then automatically you can have idea, yes, what three operations done on the signal, looking to the function, looking to the signal. Here shifting, folding, scaling. Here shifting, scaling. So now let us discuss first one very quickly. Let me cover the first one. The first shift the signal. This must be shifted towards left. Sorry, plus is there means left shifting. So minus 2. This is 0. Minus 2 becomes minus 3. Left shifting. This is minus 3. Then 0 becomes minus 1. Here actually minus 1. So whatever you have observed. At 0 this is minus 1. At minus 1 it is minus 1. Now you will find this figure. So this is minus 1. This tip value, negative side extreme tip value of the signal is minus 1. Here minus 1. Now what you have to do? Fold the signal. Then you have to make the folding operation. Because this is minus t is giving folding operation. Put a mirror here. What are the reflection we just draw? Minus 1 becomes plus 1. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. Right, understand? Now this side देखो रिफ्लेक्शन में क्या होगा, ये पॉइंट इधर, ये पॉइंट दूर चला जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? सो नाउ वन पॉइंट में कितना है? माइनस 1. दिस इज माइनस 1. ये हो जाएगा रिफ्लेक्शन. ध्यान से देखो क्यों हुआ ऐसे, क्योंकि अगर मिरर तुम रखोगे इक्वल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन कर, ये डिस्टेंस हो जाएगा, माइनस 1 पॉइंट इधर हो जाएगा, ये टिप इधर हो जाएगा, ये इधर हो जाएगा, मतलब ऐसा लाइन था ऐसा लाइन हो जाएगा. समझ में आया कि नहीं? ओके, सो दिस इज योर एक्स ऑफ t plus 1, this is x of minus t plus 1. Now scaling operation must be done. So scaling means here a is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 1. So therefore if you make the scaling operation, then what you will find? 1 by 3, this is your 1 by 3, this is your 3 by 3. 1 by 3 is, this is 1 by 3, this is 3 by 3 means 1. So these 2 points. Now here you will find minus 1 and this will be the plot. Understood? So this is your x of minus 3t plus 1. Clear or not? x of minus 3t plus 1. Now ये प्लॉट को देख लेते हैं. ये प्लॉट में क्या है? only two operations done. Two operations are done over the signal t minus 1. तो पहले shifting means what? This is t axis. Now first you have to shift the signal. This signal must be shifted towards the right because minus 1 is there. Right means right by an amount of what? 1. So minus 2 plus 1. This is minus 1. So here you can say this will come to minus 1. And 0 plus 1, 1. This will come to 1. That means at 0 there was the value minus 1. Here actually at 1 the value was to minus 1. Now this is minus 1. So this is your x of t minus 1. Now x of 2t minus 1. Then you have to scale the signal. That's all. So this is your x of t minus 1. Now scale the signal by an amount of 2. 2 is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means so minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Here it is minus 1 by 2. Here it is 1 by 2. Okay. So now this point minus 1 is there. Now you are getting this signal. So this is your x of 2t minus 1. Okay. So any signal will be given to you. You can able to plot by knowing this concept. Very quickly you can plot. Okay. Clear or not? Huh? Good. Now so क्या मैं बताया? तो पहले शिफ्टिंग, उसके बाद फोल्डिंग, उसके बाद स्केलिंग. दैट इज नो प्रॉब्लम. नाउ ये दोनों ऑपरेशन को इंटरचेंज कर सकते हो. कौन सा? लास्ट 2 ऑपरेशन. शिफ्टिंग पहले करो, शिफ्टिंग, देन फोल्डिंग, देन स्केलिंग. ये दोनों को इंटरचेंज कर सकते हो, लेकिन इसको पहले करना पड़ेगा. क्यों? देखो सपोज यू आर हैविंग ए सिग्नल xt. नाउ सपोज यू वांट टू फाइंड x ऑफ माइनस 80 plus b. ध्यान से देखना. How to get this signal from this signal? Suppose you told me that sir first you just fold the signal. So x of minus t, no problem. From xt x of minus t. Then what you have to do? Then shift the signal. If you shift, actually this is suppose x1t. Now x1t must be shifted, right? Then shift means what? Whatever the signal you have got, that you have to shift. Means x1 t plus b. That means what? x of minus t plus b. t की जगह पे t plus b, ये ऐसा होगा. So that means you will never get actually this signal. So what is this? This is x of minus t minus b हो गया ना. So this is your x1 t plus b, which is suppose x2 t. Then if you scale the signal, then x2 80. So how to get actually x2 80? x2 80 is equal to x minus 80 minus b. That means you are not getting this signal, you are getting different signal. So therefore if shifting operation is done, then that will be better. From xt, if you first make shifting operation, then other operation, then there is no problem, you can get the signal. देखो पहले shifting किया, ध्यान से देखो, पहले शिफ्टिंग किया कि नहीं? ना पहले अगर शिफ्टिंग करोगे, शिफ्टिंग किया तो यहां पे पहले फोल्डिंग किया, लेकिन जब शिफ्टिंग करोगे तो मिल जाएगा सिग्नल। देखो कैसे, पहले शिफ्टिंग करो मतलब एक्स टी प्लस बी कर लो इज इक्वल एक्स वन टी, सपोज शिफ्टिंग करने के बाद मिलेगा। नाउ इसी सिग्नल पे फोल्डिंग कर लो, दिस इज सपोज एक्स वन माइनस टी, सो व्हाट विल फाइंड एक्स ऑफ माइनस टी प्लस बी। अरे टी की जगह पे माइनस टी डालना पड़ेगा, तो ये सिग्नल तुमको मिल गया। नाउ दिस इज योर एक्स टू टी ना, अनदर सिग्नल यू कैन टेक। नाउ स्केलिंग ऑपरेशन यू जस्ट मेक, दिस इज एक्स टू एट टी, एक टी के जगह पे टी, एक्स ऑफ माइनस टी प्लस बी, दैट मीन्स व्हाट एवर द सिग्नल इज गिवन दैट यू हैव काउंट। यू कैन टेक फास्ट शिफ्टिंग ऑपरेशन, देन ये दोनों को इंटरचेंज करने से भी सेम सिग्नल मिलेगा। देखो कैसे, तो पहले क्या किया, यहाँ पे फोल्डिंग किया, नाउ पहले स्केलिंग कर लो। तो देखो नेक्स्ट में पहले स्केलिंग कर लो, ये दोनों को मैं देख लेता हूँ, ये दोनों को देखो, पहले स्केलिंग किया, स्केलिंग करने से क्या होगा, एक्स एट टी प्लस बी, दिस इज सपोज एक्स टू टी। नाउ एक्स टू टी में फोल्डिंग कर लो, दिस इज एक्स टू माइनस टी, व्हाट विल फाइंड एक्स ऑफ ए माइनस टी प्लस बी, ऑटोमेटिकली दिस इज योर एक्स ऑफ माइनस ए टी प्लस बी। अरे समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? दिस इज योर एक्स टू माइनस टी व्हिच यू कैन से एक्स थ्री टी, दैट मीन्स यू आर गेटिंग द सिग्नल, व्हाट यू आर which signal you want to find out that you have got. So that means ये दोनों को इंटरचेंज कर सकते हो, शिफ्टिंग फोल्डिंग स्केलिंग, शिफ्टिंग स्केलिंग फोल्डिंग, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम। समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? ओके, सो इन दिस वे you can plot the signals where more than one time operations are done over the signal. Okay, now अभी देख लेते हैं और एक इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन। देखो सपोज यू वांट टू ड्रॉ एक्स ऑफ, ध्यान से देखना इसको, t माइनस वन बाई टू। देखो इसमें क्या किया जाता है, अगर इस तरह का सिग्नल से, इस तरह का क्वेश्चन से, तो पहले शिफ्ट करने से प्रॉब्लम होगा, पहले शिफ्ट करने से प्रॉब्लम होगा। कैसे देखो, सपोज xt इज गिवन, एक्चुअली xt इज गिवन, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दिस, तो व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स यू हैव टू फॉलो। xt इज गिवन, देखो ध्यान से, xt गिवन, व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स यू हैव टू फॉलो सो दैट यू कैन गेट दिस xt माइनस वन, यही है। व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स यू हैव टू फॉलो सो दैट यू कैन गेट xt माइनस वन बाई टू, यही है। तो स्टेप्स देखो कैसे, एक्स टी माइनस वन बाई टू पाने के लिए सपोज तुम बोलोगे सर आपने बोले थे कि आप पहले शिफ्टिंग कर लो, ठीक है मैं शिफ्टिंग कर लेता हूँ एक्स टी माइनस वन, सो नाउ दिस इज सपोज एक्स वन टी। ना इसमें टी की जगह पे क्या करूंगा, अभी टी माइनस वन बाई टू टोटल मिलेगा, टी बाई टू करने से ओनली यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा, सपोज एक्स टी बाई टू करूंगा, एक्स टी बाई टू माइनस वन, क्योंकि एक्स वन टी बाई टू किया, टी बाई टू मतलब टी की जगह पे टी बाई टू ना, तो ये मिला, सो दिस इज नॉट दिस सिग्नल, अंडरस्टूड ना? समझ में आ रहा है? सो देयरफॉर ये केस में इजी क्या होगा, पहले स्केल करो, पहले स्केल मतलब एक्स टी बाई टू पहले कर लो, दिस इज सपोज एक्स वन टी, नाउ टी की जगह पे टी माइनस वन डालो, मतलब शिफ्टिंग ऑपरेशन करो, नाउ एक्स वन टी माइनस वन, सो दैट इज इक्वल टू एक्स टी माइनस वन बाई टू। अरे समझ में, टी की जगह पे टी माइनस वन हो गया सिग्नल। तो इस केस में पहले स्केलिंग ऑपरेशन कर लो, उसके बाद शिफ्टिंग ऑपरेशन कर लो। समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? ये कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर क्विक प्लॉट, दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट। नाउ सपोज आई एम हैविंग अनदर क्वेश्चन, एक्स ऑफ माइनस टू टी माइनस वन बाई थ्री, ध्यान से देखो ये अगर क्वेश्चन है तो क्या क्या स्टेप्स करना पड़ेगा, पहले एक्स टी बाई थ्री कर लो स्केलिंग, अगर होल डिवाइडेड में है ये इजी है, अदर मेथड्स आल्सो अवेलेबल, अदर मेथड्स आल्सो अवेलेबल। नाउ आई एम शोइंग दिस मेथड, पहले टी बाई थ्री कर लो, उसके बाद शिफ्ट कर लो, देखो उसके बाद टी माइनस वन बाई थ्री कर लो, शिफ्ट हो गया, उसके बाद फोल्ड कर लो, एक्स माइनस टी माइनस वन बाई थ्री कर लो, उसके बाद स्केल कर लो, एक्स माइनस टू टी माइनस वन बाई थ्री। देखो ध्यान से क्या क्या स्टेप्स, पहले स्केलिंग, उसके बाद शिफ्टिंग, उसके बाद फोल्डिंग, उसके बाद फिर से स्केलिंग। समझ में आया? तो पहले जो स्केलिंग है डिवाइड के लिए, टी बाई थ्री के लिए, ये डिनोमिनेटर फैक्टर के लिए, पहले डिनोमिनेटर फैक्टर के लिए स्केलिंग मतलब वन बाई थ्री में स्केलिंग, फाइनली टू में स्केलिंग करो, ये इजी रहता है, ये स्टेप्स होते हैं। समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? क्योंकि अगर अदर स्टेप्स फॉलो करोगे ये सिग्नल मिलना मुश्किल है, ये सिग्नल मिलना मुश्किल है। ये कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. सो देयरफॉर व्हाट यू हैव टू डू in case of this type of signal, suppose the signal is x of minus 80 plus b by c, then first what you have to do, x of t by c, it is better. Then what you have to do, x of t plus b by c, देखो ध्यान से, then x of minus t plus b by c, then x of minus 80 plus b by c. These are the steps you have to follow one by one. This is step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3, this is step 4. These are the steps. If you follow, you can easily get this signal from xt. Because which signal will be given to you? xt given, and you have to draw this signal. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Clear or not? So this is one of the important type of question so may asked in the competitive examinations. So therefore next I am giving some examples. Otherwise you see another thing, suppose xt is given, suppose x minus 2t minus 1 by 3. So इसको इस तरह भी कर सकते हो, x minus 2 by 3t minus 1 by 3. Also you can get, that means shifting. I have told अगर इस तरह मिल गया तो there is no problem. Shifting, folding, scaling, बस that's it. Shifting, then folding, minus 1 is there, then scaling by the factor of 2 by 3. Scaling by the factor of 2 by 3. Because now this is a 80 minus b is 1 by 3 in this way. इस तरह भी कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है. सो नाउ और सपोज द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन x of t, suppose t is, suppose you want to find out x of t is given and you want to find out x of t plus 2 by 3. तो इसको इस तरह लिख सकते हो, x of 1 by 3t plus 2 by 3. तो फास्ट शिफ्टिंग देन स्केलिंग, इस तरह कर सकते. बट एक्चुअली बेटर वे इज x t by 3 फास्ट यू जस्ट फाइंड, देन x t plus 2 by 3, फास्ट स्केलिंग देन शिफ्टिंग. ओके. सो नाउ कुछ क्वेश्चन से देख लेते हैं जल्दी जल्दी. सो नाउ सपोज यू आर हैविंग द क्वेश्चन एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं. x t is equal to suppose anything, any question is given, suppose it is given is equal to t for 0 less than equal to t less than equal to 2, okay, is equal to 0 else. You have to draw x of 2t minus 2t, directly I am doing, sorry first question x of 2t, suppose first easy question I am giving, x of t minus 1 by 2. ओके. सो हाउ टू स्केच, देखो पहले एक्स टी ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. ये तुम्हारा एक्स टी हो गया. पहले ड्रॉ करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है एंड ड्रॉ सीख लो. हाँ. सो y इज इक्वल टू एम एक्स 0 to 2. सो दिस इज 2, 0 से 2 के अंदर y इक्वल एम एक्स, मतलब स्लोप इज 1. स्लोप इज 1, दिस फिगर. इफ स्लोप इज 1 देन डेफिनेटली दिस इज योर एक्स टी, दिस टिप मस्ट बी व्हाट 2, बिकॉज 2 by 2 1 होगा ना स्लोप. And other points पे 0, इधर 0, 2 onwards 0. This is actually xt plot. Then t minus 1 by 2, I have told, first scale t by 2. First you just make t by 2, x t by 2, x t by 2. Try to understand. X t by 2 means scaling by a factor of 1 by 2. तो 1 by 2 means multiply हो जाता है. मतलब क्या है? मतलब means age greater than, age less than 1. Age less than 1 means this is expanded. So 2 into 2, 4, 0 into 2, 0. That means the signal will become this. This tip point will not change. I have told. Now the slope is 2 by 4. That means 1 by 2. पहले स्लोप कितना था? 1 था. अब स्लोप कितना हो गया? 1 by 2 हो गया. स्लोप चेंज हो गया, लाइन चेंज हो गया. ओके. एक्सपांड हो गया, सिग्नल एक्सपांड हो गया. 2 में था, 4 तक पहुंच गया. ठीक है. अब क्या करना है? शिफ्ट करना है. कौन सा शिफ्टिंग? राइट शिफ्टिंग. बिकॉज t minus 1, इसको राइट शिफ्ट कर लो. इसको राइट शिफ्ट कर लेते हैं. कितना अमाउंट में? 1 अमाउंट में. 4 plus 1 5, ये 5 पे पहुंच जाएगा. 0 plus 1 1, 1 से 5 तक रहेगा. बस यही है. स्लोप चेंज नहीं होगा सिग्नल का, ये याद रखना पड़ेगा. ध्यान से देखो, स्लोप चेंज नहीं होगा. स्लोप कितना था? ये यहाँ पे स्लोप चेंज नहीं होगा. ये हो गया तुम्हारा 2. सो दिस इज योर पार्ट 0 plus 1 1, 1 से 5 तक. ये सिग्नल मिल गया. ये तुम्हारा फाइनल सिग्नल मिल गया. दिस इज योर एक्स ऑफ t minus 1 by 2. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? ओके. सो इस तरह कर सकते हो, कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस अगर दिया जाता है तो इस तरह सॉल्व कर सकते हो। समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? सपोज नेक्स्ट सेम क्वेश्चन में देखो ध्यान से, सेम क्वेश्चन में मैं ये ऑपरेशन करने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ। सपोज एक्स ऑफ माइनस टू टी प्लस 1/3। तो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू t/3। देखो ये इजी रहता है, फर्स्ट t/3, देन t plus 1/3, then minus t plus 1/3, then minus 2t plus 1/3. That means fast scaling. You know the signal xt is this is your 0, this is 2, then this is slope 1, that means if slope 1, this is 2, this is your xt. Okay, now you have to make t/3 first. t/3 means 3 you have to multiply, I have told 1/3 less than 1, that means you have to multiply 2 with 3, 6. तो ये 0, ये हो गया तुम्हारा 6. So now you will find this signal. Extreme point will not change, vertical extreme points will remain constant. This is your x of t/3. Good. Now what you have to do? Next you have to, here I am drawing. Next you have to make t plus 1/3. That means t की जगह पे t plus 1, signal is shifted towards the left by an amount of 1. So 0, this is minus 1. Left shifting operation must be done. Left shifting operation you have to make, perform. So 0 minus 1, this is minus 1, this is 5, and whatever the slope remains constant. This t point is 2, t point will not change. This is your x of, this is, you can say t plus 1/2, 3, sorry. Now folding operation, just fold the signal. If you fold the signal, then this minus 1 comes to 1, because mirror you have to put here. This 5 minus 5. Now you will find the signal becomes this. Okay, 5 में t point था 2, तो signal ये बन गया. This is 2. Okay, so this is your x of t plus 1/3. This is minus t plus 1/3. Okay, now finally what you have to do? Scale with 2. Next another scaling you have to make. Scale with 2. So if you scale the signal with 2, यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करता हूँ नेक्स्ट स्टेप यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर लेता हूँ, तो स्केल विथ 2. इफ यू स्केल विथ 2, देन minus 5/2, this is 1/2, then the signal will become this. The t value is 2, that will maintain. This is your x of minus 2t plus 1/3. Okay, so these are the steps you must have to follow so that you can easily get the final plots. Okay, next class I will discuss the rest of the topics. Okay, thank you.